Setting up your business details. Ensure Shortcuts Live suits you and your business by first setting up your business details. In this lesson, you'll learn how to add and update your business contact details, add your logo, and add and update your opening hours. From General Settings in the menu on the left, select Business Setup. Then, enter Edit Mode. Remember, all fields highlighted with red are mandatory. First, enter your business name and business tax number. Then, choose your logo file to upload your logo. Enter a business reference, like a medical provider number or a site code, and select the start of week. This will be reflected in the appointment book week view and any reports that you run. Enter your opening hours. Toggle the slider to Closed on days your business is closed and enter your opening and closing times in the relevant fields. The opening hours you select here dictate when bookings can be made in your appointment book. Also enter your location and contact details. Click Done to save. In this lesson, you've learned how to add and update your business contact details, add your logo, and add and update your opening hours.